Hi guys, this is Kristen with the Teen Department, and today we're doing some origami sea creatures. I really just have a crab today, but it's really easy to make, and all you need is a square piece of paper. This is actually red, it looks super orange, and a Sharpie if you want to draw eyes on him. I've drawn eyes on these guys. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll show you at the end. So with this square piece of paper, I've already folded it in half diagonally once, and now I'm just going to go the other direction. And try and keep it as straight as I can. Right, nice. And like this half now. I guess this would be horizontal if the other way is diagonal. And then again, but in the opposite ends of the paper. It'll make sense when I open it up. Okay, so what I have now is just a big star. I've kind of folded it in, what is this, like 4 directions, but it makes like 8 on the paper. So now we're gonna take, and go in half again, just because I feel like it helps start this fold. I'm also not an origami master, but I feel like this is pretty doable. And then kind of try and do the same thing again over here. Basically, we're trying to make these ends of the, trying to get the paper to fold in the middle here so it meets at the tip of this triangle. Great, okay. So now we have a triangle with just this long vertical piece in the middle. And we're gonna try and, it's kind of like trying to hold on at the tippy top of this triangle. Open this up a bit, there you go. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this. And you're gonna lay it flat, and if you notice, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 little flippy flaps here. And we're gonna open up to this first one, nothing underneath this guy. And the second piece, we're going to fold up like this and try and get it right to that very center tip. Try and flatten that guy down. And then this guy, you can fold it over and just try and do the same thing and match it as close as you can with this piece. Really press them down. And then when you open them up, it'll look, I kind of think this looks more like a frog than like a crab at this point, but it gets there. And then I think, yeah, we flip him over here. And once he's laying flat like this, looks like a little pointy hat, you're gonna fold this bottom piece up. I would say this is like maybe 3/4 of an inch. And just fold it all the way across, so now it really looks like a hat. Really give it the business. Try and get it to lay as flat as you can. And then we're going to take this piece and kind of bring it over to the middle. Not really, we're just kind of trying to fold. I like to have just a little peek of a triangle in there. I don't know if you can see that at all, but. And pull them out. And this is going to be one of our like pinchers. Flatten that down. And then same thing on this side, just try and make it symmetrical. Okay, nice. This part of it got smushed, but this is the bottom, so it doesn't even matter. All right, so now that we have this, we're gonna take this corner and fold it up to meet this flat piece here. It's also like several layers of paper at this point, so like harder to fold. All right, same thing. This little corner that was out, up to meet here. Okay. And then this guy, this triangle, we're gonna fold it down. I think that should be good. You can tell that it's still centered too because this little line is running all the way up through. All right, so if we flip it over, there he is, little crab guy. And if you want to give him eyes, you can. I'm not gonna go do anything crazy. There he is, he's sleeping. It's really easy, and it really only takes the one piece of paper, like all origami, I guess, but you guys should try them. I think origami is really fun. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time, bye.